Albert Einstein once said, quote, "The hardest thing in the world is to understand the income tax." I think most people can agree with that sentiment. Many tax-paying citizens only focus on taxes during filing season, but careful tax planning means looking ahead and putting yourself in the best position to minimize your taxes. Now, for example, if you're receiving a large refund each year, you may be paying in too much throughout the year. Conversely, if you ended up paying an underpayment penalty, you will want to monitor your income and possibly make quarterly estimated tax payments to avoid this in the future. Or you could consider increasing your withholding from each paycheck to avoid owing additional tax if you hold more than one job at a time, or you and your spouse both have jobs, which may move you up into a higher tax bracket. And if you have income from sources other than jobs, like rental income or self-employment that is not subject to withholding, it's often going to be advantageous to look closely at those withholding amounts from your W-2 income. There are over 215 tax breaks in the current US tax code that taxpayers can take advantage of in the form of exemptions, deductions, credits, and preferential rates. This can be daunting to try and navigate by oneself, especially if your tax situation is a bit complex. If you have many forms of income and available deductions or credits, it's probably going to be worthwhile to hire a qualified CPA to assist with tax planning and tax prep to make your life easier. If your financial situation isn't that complex, and let's say you only have one form of income, there are free online tax calculators and commercial software like TurboTax that you can buy that will help you plan and determine what amount to withhold or pay in, and what deductions and credits you may be eligible for.